Today on Brian's Train Room, we're talking the Milwaukee Rd. In the mid-50s, Lionel introduced the 2338 Milwaukee Rd GP-7. The color scheme was black with an orange stripe that ran down the middle. A much tougher variation of the 2338 Milwaukee Rd GP-7 is the version that has the orange through the cab instead of black. Notice the difference of the decals, and the lettering color is black compared to the more common version, which is white lettering with a little bit different style decal. A fun one to collect from 1956.